Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a background to your Excel spreadsheet. If you're looking to make Excel a little less plain and a bit more visually engaging, stick around. First, let's open the Excel file you'd like to work on. Once your file is open, go to the top menu and find the Page Layout tab. Click on it, and you'll see a variety of options related to page appearance. Look for the background option in this section and click on it. A window will pop up, giving you options for where to select your image from. Choose from File if you want to upload an image from your computer. Now, your File Explorer will open up. Find the image you want to set as your background, select it, and click Open. And there you go. You've now added a background to your Excel spreadsheet. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.